Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how we can assign one object reference variable to another object in Java programming. Let us see it with the help of a program. Now I am just opening a folder. I am making a file main.java. And I am going to create a class called car. In this class I am going to have two variables, size and color. Also I'll be having some methods also, or functions we can say. This public void also I am making another function to set the color also. Okay, this is for assigning size as well as color, so I am just going to write another function just to print the information. So it is public void info. Here I am making print statement. So I am just printing size as well as color. So let us go for the main function. So in this main function I am just going to create three objects for this particular class car. So first object, car object 1, using new operator new car of. So the first car object is created now. So now the second one, second car object is created, and now the third one I am making it, third car object is created. Now I am going to set the size as well as color for this particular objects. So first I am considering car object 1, and I am just setting the size. Maybe I'll just give 15, and as well as I am just setting the color as red. So the first car object will have the color red and the size is 15. So now I am making another one, the car object 2 also I am just going to give the same color. And I am making car object 2 also red. Then the third object, again size I am giving 15, and car object 3 I am just giving the color red. So I am just going to print the information so we can understand like what is the size and color assigned to each and every object. So just for we have to just call the getInfo function. So I am just making like one's information. So I have to just call core object 1 dot get info function. So similarly, I am just going to make a call function for others also. And I am calling the function get info. Similarly, I can make the third one also for core object 3, and this is core object 3 dot get info. So first let us understand, like we will just try to run this function. So I'm opening the terminal right now. I'm in the same folder, so I'm just compiling main.java. File not found. File is not saved. So I'm just going to check again. There is some error. Core object 2 dot get info. Sorry, I is capital. Core object 3. Java main. Okay, if you see that the car object 1 is 1500, 2 is 1500, 3 is 1500. Now what I am going to do is, like, I am going to assign the car object 2 and with car object 3. So car object 2 equal to car object 3. So suppose now we will check it out, like what is going to print over here. So I'm just running. Okay, so now core object 2 is 1500 and this is 1500. Now we cannot differentiate because we have not assigned any different colors. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to assign core object 2 dot set color. Instead of red, I am just going to give gray. So after giving this, maybe we can remove this print out statement so that we can find out the difference. Okay, now core object 2 is showing 15 gray, as well as core object 3 is also showing 15 gray. Okay, the value of core object 3 is also changed. So if I am giving core object 3, let me change it here only. Core object 3 dot set color is black. Running the program again. Now what is happening? Core object 2 is also 15 black and core object 3 is also 15 black. So what is happening, that we can understand from the theory part. So we know what is class. It is a blueprint, it's a design or template. Using that we can create multiple objects. So when we want to assign one object to another object, it behaves completely different than normal variables. So how it is being done? So when we are doing an object reference variable, it works completely different than the normal assignments. So what is happening here is, like right now I am creating from a class, I am creating core object 1 that we have created, and we have created a color red of size 50. So second, what we have done is, like, we have created a core object 2 again with the same color with 15, and one more object, core object 3, and with the same colors. Now when we assigned core object 3 to 2, what is happened? The core object 2 is focusing completely on the core object 2. So this particular object is not going to exist. So whether we are changing core object 2 or core object 3, this is going to point out the same object. So when I have changed the color to gray, what happened? The object's color is changed. So when we call the getInfo function of core object 2 and 3, it gives the color gray. So when the core object 3 is set as color black, the object is color changed, and when we call core object 2 as well as core object 3, it shows the output like it is black in color. So while assigning any object reference variable, we are not going to create a copy of the object, we are only making a copy of reference. This is what I want to explain in this particular video. Thank you for watching.